decided to use my cylinder arm machine to sew the bottom panel on instead of hand sewing it. So yeah, I had an epiphany. Why not use this? So that's what I'm doing here. This machine is too big to go in the she shed, so she's in the laundry room along with the skiver. All done. One more stitch, yes. We did it. Okay, that's done. All sewn on. We're making the strap today. I've cut out these 2 strips. Gonna apply glue on both wrong sides. Glue them together. Trim them to the equal size. And go from there with a strap with a buckle. Okay, let's apply this glue. Let's stick these 2 together. Okay. All done with the shaping. Perfect size, both sides. So now we're going to determine where the buckle is going to be, cut it, and then burnish and paint. And that'll be the next step. This is the refuse. Thank goodness this part's going to be hidden. It's going to be tucked under, and a rivet's going to hold it in place around the metal piece for the strap. Not too worried about how this will look. Okay, we're all done. So we've got strap number 1 done. And here we go. Now we're going to get the other strap, the shorter strap, laced up. Okay, we are attaching rivets because we are finished with our strap. I glued this down. Here's the keeper. There's a rivet there. So this is glued down. This part here still needs a rivet. So let's mark that spot. I'm gonna put it right there. let's give it a punch. All right, so this one's ready, and this one's ready for the rivet press. Now we have the longer strap that has the holes. This one has a swivel hook to attach to the purse on this end. I glued it, so let's get these two. Whoa, that's a piece of thread there. I guess I gotta burn that. Let's burn that piece of thread there. This is a thread zapper, and instead of lighting a flame on tiny things, I'll use the thread zapper. It's a little heating element on the end, battery operated, and it'll melt the same way as a flame would do. The cap, oh, here it is. Okay, so let's mark the spot for this rivet. We are just about to take a victory lap. This purse bag making adventure is now complete. Let me make sure that's in the middle. Yeah. Very good. So let's put our rivet in here, and then we'll set all of the rivets at the same time. Okay. Last one.